Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. How are you?
We are fine. What's about you?
Alhamdulillah, I also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. And I am very happy to be here with you in this beautiful evening. And thanks to my honorable teacher Alamin sir to give me this opportunity to say something before you. Before begin my topics, I'd like to introduce myself. I am Shujan Hussain. You call me my nickname. That's name is Shujan. And I have completed my graduation and post-graduation from Dhaka City College, and now I am a job holder and student of English Camford. I hope that's all for myself. Today's my topic is describing an event that I successfully arranged. Actually, organizing an event, it was very challenging for everyone, but when that event turned out to be successful, it is an extraordinary by experiencing things. I had a pleasure to organizing a birthday party for my beloved mom last year, and it was a memorable experiences for me. And here I would like to details about the event. The event was a surprising birthday party for my beloved mom when he turning 50, and it was a milestone birthday. And I made her birthday with full of joy and love and surprises because he does everything for my family. And I organized the party by the help of my family members, and we made a meeting to discuss the event and delegate tasks. To organize the event, I had to do a lot of planning and coordinations, and I had check out guests and send out invitations. And I have bought some decorations like balloons, lighting and flowers, and a big happy birthday mom banner. And I decorated my living room. My elder brother and father helped me to complete all over the tasks, and they also helped me prepared delicious food like biryani, salad and dessert item. I also ordered a chocolate cake for my mom with name her on it. And when my mom came out into our living room, we are shouting happy birthday mom to you, and my mom became very emotional, and here her eyes filled with tears of joy, and she said all over everyone, they thank you very much for giving me this moment, and it was one of the best birthday for my life. And everyone are